What are you doing? You're holding your breath? Why? Why are you doing that? Why are you okay? Then why are you... Hey! Can you give me a sign that you are okay? Say something!
It's hiccups! It's effective for me to hold my breath, but it takes like 20 to 30 seconds. I can't stop midway through to explain to you my reasoning.
There are less violent ways of getting rid of the hiccups.
Don't interrupt me again, or if you really want to talk violence, then that's what I'm
Gonna to you to stay true to that request. Take your time. I lost it. Well, that happens to us all. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Be pretty great if it didn't. Well, no, not really, because I guess it's one of the factors that makes us, more human. The mistakes, and it makes the successfully completed statements more special. I suppose that's true. Did you realize that they're gone? Your hiccups, because you see, you focus on something else, and in doing that, they go away on their own, because that's what hiccups do. It's as easy as that. And that's one of the less violent ways I was referring to of fixing them. You're welcome. Seeing that I was fine on my own, I'm not thanking you for fixing a problem that you allowed to continue. Okay, I'm a bit confused about a lot of that statement. I don't know what the hand quotes were for. They stopped talking. Well, I never really talk to you like this anymore. This doesn't really happen, and I'm enjoying this. So, I mean, I was effectively talking to you against my will, so I don't desire to continue this conversation. You really think that? That had me talking to you against my will? Yes, I do. Well, seeing that I apparently have the power to hold you against your will and have you keep talking to me, I would like to keep doing that because I'm enjoying this and would like to continue. So, what's up? Fine, but you start seeing that you're apparently more enthusiastic about this than I am. Okay, I'll start. So, recently... Sometimes just gotta go for it, man. Yeah. Well, this has been the most eventful and probably best and worst night of my life, at least in a very long time. You think it's possible to get drunk off of root beer? After seeing you tonight, I wouldn't doubt at the very least that you could, so do with that what you will. But you need to get hiccups more often. This is fun. We need to do this again. Yeah. Yeah.